Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys the Shine Armor Interior Cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and use it on my car, Jenna Fifi, and see how it works. I'm really excited. I'll show you guys the steps and the process on how to get the best results. So let's get started. Okay, so now if you're someone like myself, I personally don't really ever show my interior just because I always feel like it's dirty. So I never roll my windows down. I never have the doors open, anything like that. But now I feel like I have the confidence to do that because I have cleaner that actually does what interior cleaning should do and makes the interior look good. It doesn't leave it looking all nasty and super shiny or super faded. So yeah, it has this really nice finish and I'll show you guys that here. All right guys, we are now inside Jenna Fifi and I did do the passenger side just because it's gonna be easier. You can see more of what's going on. So first things what you wanna do is you wanna get your spray it on the surface. All right, so next you want to take your Shine Armor microfiber and basically just wipe and rub. I like doing circular motions, get all of it in there. And another plus with this product is it doesn't smell super chemically, it doesn't smell bad. It has a nice, just clean smell, almost like a clean linen, if you will. And there you go. Now you look at that, it is super clean. Again, one of the best things personally about this product that I love is that it doesn't leave a nasty look on, on your material, on the surface. It just looks good. It looks nice and clean and it gives me the confidence to definitely have my windows down to the next car show. And yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for the review. Again, if you guys would like to see anything else or have any questions, concerns, let me know in the comments below or hit me up on Instagram. I'll answer all questions. I'll also have a discount code that you guys can use. I'll put it on the screen right now. So go ahead and do that, and then I'll also put that in the description below as well. So I want to give a big shout out again to Shine Armor. This stuff is great. It honestly makes my interior smell good, look good, and yeah, I'm excited. There's a lot of shows coming up, so I'll be able to use that. I'll be able to use this for all the upcoming events. Thank you again, Shine Armor.